It really doesn't matter, seriously. Whatever your outdoor activities are, it's all going to be about the same. A light northerly breeze, temperatures in the 70s, mostly sunny skies. So my point here is you won't have any problems walking out the door in the morning with any weather-related activities. There you can see, though, believe it or not, we need some rain. And I know you might be thinking, oh, wait a second, we're just coming off rainy season. So technically, yes, we had a great rainy season. If you average the rain over the course of the year, we are fine. We have plenty of rain, but generally speaking, just recently, the past couple weeks, we actually have gotten a little dry. This happens sometimes when you have these very close passing hurricanes like Dorian and Humberto now, where they tend to dry out the atmosphere. So believe it or not, we're running below average for the month. It might not end up that way, but as of right now, it does look like we're kind of trending away from our rainy season because climatologically speaking, this can happen in September. We've seen this happen many a times where these hurricanes, they come close, but they just barely miss to the east, which is obviously good news, right? I'm not complaining about that. But what happens then is on the back side, we get the western flow, meaning drier air, drier continental air comes down into our atmosphere, and that really tends to cut off our rain chances then. So with all that in mind, the forecast is going to be a very, very quiet one again for tomorrow. Mostly sunny skies, light northerly breeze, and not much going on. So yes, it does mean mainly dry conditions again tomorrow. We only had a couple isolated showers out there for this evening. I'll leave in the chance for a couple more hours, but that's really about it. Then mostly clear. Tomorrow, again, same thing. Mostly sunny, just a tiny chance of shower, highs low to mid 90s. It'll feel more comfortable and even less humid from Thursday into this next upcoming weekend. I will explain why coming up in the 7-day in less than 10 minutes. So there goes Humberto. Off to the northeast, again, away from the U.S. All right. What I want you to notice is what happens as we head towards Thursday. See that strong northeasterly wind? That is what can really pump in a lot of dry air for us here locally this time of year. So there will be a little batch of moisture. There it is for Wednesday. But then look what happens. Really dry air comes funneling in Thursday. So think of it almost kind of like a front, except it's not going to come from the traditional way from the northwest. It's going to come from the northeast and kind of pull drier, slightly less humid air down into our area at that time. So for tomorrow, it's mainly going to be dry. Most of the showers will stay out in the Atlantic. I think we're going to have mostly sunny skies. It'll be a hot day, that is for sure. If you're boating, fantastic weather. I don't see any problems. A northerly breeze at about 10 knots, maybe northwest a little bit in the afternoon. Seas 2 feet, light chop on the Bane in the waters. Water temperatures hovering in the mid 80s, which is normal this time of year. Then we have a little uptick to a 30% chance of showers Wednesday, and then right back to dry and breezy. It'll feel more comfortable Thursday, Friday, and into this upcoming weekend, especially the mornings and the evenings. That's where you will notice it the most, when it will actually be pleasant.